from $20,000 a month to $415,000 a month in sales. We're just getting started. We could look at the week over week also. $4,000 a week, going up to $20,000 a week, going up to $30,000 to $40,000, and then you can see now we hit $50,000 in June. Then we hit $70,000, $80,000. Then you can see over here, $148,000 was the last full week that we had. We just keep growing this account, and the way that it's growing is because we are doing something that too many people do not do. They're not focused on building up organic rank, and they're only focused on getting a low ACOS and spending a little bit on different terms. Most of the time, they're just wasting ad spend, targeting terms that they already own. They already own the real estate for those terms, but they're not looking at how can we build up the organic rank. And it's so simple. I can show you also majority. This account is operating at a very, very low tacos. So I'll show you the tacos right here. Here's a different graph, just because I don't want to calculate it myself manually. But you can see over here, same numbers, $20,000 to $400,000. And the tacos on this account is for July, it was 5.53%. So July, we spent $23,000 in ads. We did $415,988. That's how much the ad spend was for the month of July, July 1st to July 31st. And the sales for July were $415,000. That's a 5% tacos, which is great. Really, in my mind, it's even a little bit too thin. It's kind of like it's starving for nutrition. It needs, we could be more aggressive with the spend. The problem is if we spend more on this account, this company cannot manufacture the goods quick enough for us to sustain these sales. And as you can see, the sales are growing rapidly. 20,000, 40,000, 140,000, 158,000, 146,000. It went down $10,000 for that month because of stock issues. They started to replenish. 188,000, 415,000. This account, mark my words, in the next few months, as long as they're getting stock, we'll be doing $1 million a month minimum. And yeah, very exciting things. If you want to learn more about what I do or how it can help you, click the link below.